Guys, if you're driving into a close, you have to work out how you're coming out before you get in. One guy is just driven in. He's now struggling with a blinder. There's no reason for a blinder. See? All you need to do is turn it around here and reverse to the place. The guy is just driven in. You can see it's the rest. It's a dead end. Welcome back to this channel. What's going on, people? Simon Kawa still dropping words of wisdom on tracking while I wait for this guy to clear the place. So that's the main thing. Once you're driving an Arctic, when you come into a place, an address, check out how you're coming out before you drive in. Stop, scan the place, else you'll be stuck. Honestly, I also did the same thing the first time I came to this address. Somewhere near Heathrow. And nowadays I spin it from here. Let's just say there. And then I reverse it to the place. So I'm waiting for him to do his thing, then I can come in. There he is. Lovely sunshine, still doing well hot. Warm weather, we're loving it. What's the thing to look out for when you're checking out a motor? In my opinion, if you get into a motor, you've not been driving it, it's hooked to a trailer, it's that. That kingpin. Then you're sure it's hooked. Kingpin, lights, tires. The Lord. The Lord. Never drive without looking in the back. See, it's hard to get someone to help you. Tricky blinder. The Lord. I've done one delivery and this is the second one. Still enjoying the 20-somethings in summer. They say next week is going to the 30s and then probably will drop. Right. In case you're a plane spotter, we're somewhere near Heathrow. Look, planes landing. This delivery address is Arctics have to come up the building, up the ramps. It's up. On getting out, it's really tight. If you don't use the full space given, you have to reverse and do it again. Guy is still doing it. Congratulations to some guy called Charging. Yeah, some guy on there. He asked me for advice. I'm going in 2 days, and then he passed. Said to me, I've passed, Simon. So we got a new driver. So a new one is there landing. Can you see that? So it's doable. Truck driving is doable, and jobs are still spotty, but you still get in when you do. Go to your local agency when you pass. There's nothing else to do. People ask, what do I do? Are the jobs still there? Jobs are there. Go to your agency, local agency. ask them for work. You get, ask them. They'll start you on one, shift here, shift there, until you get into the place. Till you get in. Yeah, I think he's done it, so it's time for me to reverse. So in case you haven't subscribed, please sub to this channel to give us support. Thumbs up as well to help spread the videos. Tap the subscribe button, tap the like button, share the videos. And get this one in. You have to peep proper. It's not rocket science. Can actually learn this skill. A lot of peeping action. They want to run into something. That's a done one. So sub to this channel to get more videos. My name is Simon Kawa, formerly Simon Tracker. Alright, and to go on and on and on. I'm going to leave this video at this. So I want to say stay safe, God bless, and much love.